Hello friends, welcome to DataPundit. So today we are going to talk about in continuation with our earlier video session wherein we achieved the ranking for a data set, and we did not use the transform expansion for scan. We just used the template mode and we called a couple of functions and we have assigned the particular rank for a particular data set, right? Similarly, we are going to assign the dense rank. So there will be a small difference between two function call, right? Assignment, and then we will be achieving the same results basically. So let's see how we are going to do it. So we are considering the same data set, and unlike rank, there will be a little difference whenever the rank is assigned. Okay. So what is the difference? Let's see. So for first of the record, similar same behavior. If and let's say second rank, this is the second highest salary within a department number D1, right? This 750 is the third highest salary. There are two people of third highest salary, so same rank and dense rank. But for the fifth people, right? Fifth people, D rank will be 4 and rank will be 5 because it doesn't skip the consecutive integer dense rank. Okay, so that is the only difference between rank and dense rank. Okay, and within a small function expression difference, we are going to achieve the dense rank as well. So let's see how we are going to do it. So let's talk about, I mean, we are going to see these values, and what we have to do is like we need to take the input, and then what, let's say we are giving the sorted input to the scan component, department and salary descending, let's say. Mhm. Okay, and then there is a scan which is in template mode, and then the output. Okay, so simply rank evaluation by scan without transform expansion. Okay, and this is, let's say, we are defining in the scan transformation. We are going to take the global variable. Similarly, we have taken in while implementing the rank, right? So now what we did assign to the, in the case of rank, is only just the count. Now what we need to do assign is like dip. So if same previous function, if salary of the previous and the current, right, is not equal to current salary and previous salary are not same, then what we are going to do assign is like the dense rank plus 1. Otherwise, if both are same, we are going to assign the dense rank. Similarly, if both the salaries are same, the dense rank is also going to be same. We are not going to differ it. Okay, and for the first record for each function for a group, so because the previous this expression is going to be written null, therefore we are assigning 1. Also, dense rank for a particular first record always will be a, for a particular group is always 1. Okay, right. So this is the small difference. Earlier we used the count, so now we are not going to use the count. We just using the ranking and dense ranking. I mean, uh, you know, the same. We are incrementing only whenever the salary is not same, right? Otherwise, we will be assigning the same rank. Okay. So this is the difference. So I think that's all. Thank you so much.